Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a backing track in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Okay, I've got this clip in my timeline and I want to add a backing track to it. There's a couple of ways you can do that. You can add an audio clip that you imported from your PC like this one, and if you click here, you can preview it. Okay, you can also trim it as well. You can import a portion of the audio. Now I will drag and drop it into my timeline and I will adapt it to the video's duration. So I click here and adjust. Cool, let's check it out. Nice. Once the audio clip is in your timeline, you can click on it to have a bunch of options here in the upper right panel. You can increase or decrease the volume of the clip. You can apply a fade in, fade out. You can also increase or decrease the volume and apply the fades in the clip itself just by clicking here in this line to increase or decrease the volume. It's the same thing. And here in this little dot to make a fade in and a fade out. And you can also change the clip speed. You can play this backing track faster or slower. All right, I will go back to 1x. And you can also change the audio by duration. It lasts 20 seconds and you can decrease for, let's see, 5 seconds. So the clip gets a lot shorter. And you can check or uncheck this option to keep the pitch of the audio. For when you change the duration, it will not affect the pitch. But at least for now, this function is not right. When you're not selecting keep pitch, it keeps the pitch. Perfect. And if you select the keep pitch version, it will not keep the pitch. I hope they fix this in the future. So for now, if you want to keep the pitch, unselect the keep pitch option. And if you don't have a backing track of your own, I will delete this. You can always go here in Audio tab, Music, choose a backing track from CapCut database, like for example, all right, this one. And if you click here on copyright, and if you click on check, CapCut will verify if the audio that you're using in your session is okay to be used in TikTok. And that's how you can add a backing track in CapCut for PC. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel to always get new free tutorials.